big bad ogre.
Score Zik, score Jesse, call me Rex Olunga. Lasty Brown, omoka. Tumeomoka na madozi. Bura nimeomoka. Spain ustenge. Stambila wama. Yeah. La wama simi.
When you chase women, you lose money. When you chase money, you gain women.
Good, chase that money, man.
Now today I just want to show you how loose natakusema jina bila kuogopa, how loose our Kenyan women are ikifika gani kwa mzungu. So there's this guy, I was on Instagram, umseka ni DM bro, sijui kama unaomreashia venye mademu wetu wanakuwa rahisi. Imagine msichana kutana na dem leo na jioni anaenda naye mtaani niko za wacha uongo. Akanitumia video number 1, akanitumia video number 2, akanionyesha page yake. So I had to go to this guy's page. And let me tell you, when I went to this guy's page, man, oh man, first of all my mouth was shocked. Nilikuwa za screaming cause first I am about to show you the videos. First, it's very embarrassing, but I just want you to see. The previous video naonesha ule mdem Chinese, when I told you whenever our women see foreigners, they usually bent over backwards, they bent over forward, they bent over, like they go out of their way to make sure they accommodate these foreigners. Nataka kukuonesha hii video. Now chances are this video has Russian music, so I don't know, mi nitaicheza and I might have to pause some parts, I might have to play some parts, bro. Even if we not be monetized on the video, I don't care. I just want to prove to you how loose our women actually are. And this is video number 1. Brace yourself. It's going to be a fun, interesting journey. But before we get into the journey, let me first nikupeleke mind yako mali nataka iende kwanza. A few weeks ago, there's this South African lady who came out because she said she was manipulated. She was tricked into doing PORN, African casting, where she said she went there for a modeling gig, but that guy geuzad and turned it into a porno vid. Simnajua video, you've seen the video, ama you've seen the highlights. Undio manafanya hivi macho, very cute, very intelligent. And sasa ikakuwa debate. These women knew what they were doing. Some of them went there and they were asked to do these things and they did it willingly. Sasa nataka that same energy, ama that same vision, ama whatever. I hope you guys know what I'm talking about. Just to the African casting, because nataka muelewe. So now this guy, twende tu kwa show. Big bad order. Now this is video number 1. I just want to show you how loose our women actually are and why you should never struggle in your life kukimbiza ama dem, because they make it easy for niggas they like, especially foreigners wakiona tu ngozi ya white. It's so easy for them. Hey bro, I even have a surprise. There's this woman who left her kids. Whatever. Watch the video. Now, that's just the first one. Here's the thing. He has these glasses, zenye iko na camera, but the women don't know. So now when he approaches the women are like, oh, mzungu, finally. Niachane nao wa Kenya, wanaume wa Kenya wananisumbuaga. Wanaume wa Kenya tu wanaga pesa, wanaume wa Kenya tu wanaga class. They don't know how to treat women. Mzungu amemkujia. Kumbe, he does not know, she does not know that this guy, whatever is wearing there, is for content. So now, whatever is happening in that room, this woman does not know that this man is recording. Unapata mbona niko na machungu na hizo video, na unawachikia na kimbizo hapo, na majegi zinarukishwa. This is video number 2.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good.
You can see. Can't you see? I want you guys to pay close attention. Chances are you might see your mother here, you may see your sister here, you may see your girlfriend here, you may see your sister's best friend here, you may see your girlfriend's friend here, you may see your auntie here. Bro, because we are going all in. Now, this is the video that made me actually pay the closest attention. Where this woman, check you them.
You look very good. You look very good. What's your name? Bella. Ah.
A few moments later.
Same day interaction, my guy. Same mother effing day interaction. So here's the move he usually does. He meets them and he says, you look very good. Ask them here their name. Tell them his name. And then he tells them, I live around here. Do you live around here? Would you like to see my house? And our desperate Kenyan women, guess what they do? Wanaenda na yeye. Kasamje body count sending ngapi? 3. Ili kulwa, bro. It is as easy as that for him. Be chill. Me imagine she was at the supermarket, ametoka supermarket, unanipata, ameenda akainteract, akachukua namba, akaenda akachange, akarudi kwake same day amerudi kwake juu ni mzungu, bro. And because walioneshwa mwazungu is their easy way out kutoka Kenya, because they were shown the white man is your easy ticket out of poverty, out of the country, because you are made to hate your own and love other people's. I love that this part I wanted to show you. If you ever bring a chick to your house, and if she sits like that on the seat, akaivo kwa kiti, it's game on. Apo jua she's giving you. Ukiona tu mdema meka hivyo comfortably, jua she's giving you. And then what does the perverted guy do? Anafanya kirukaruka hivi matiti. Kawaida yake nikayo ni move amependa sana. And the weird thing to me is these women do not know they are being recorded. They don't know. So they think this is just a private thing. This is just a private thing. Okay, I've met this guy. I love this guy. I like this guy. Oh, look at how confident he is. I mean, he find me attractive. Naenda maju. Naenda maju. Madema naenda maju. Kume they don't know this guy using them for content. Body count number 3. Now, this is the video I wanted to show you. This woman literally left her kids. Took her kids back home. Ona mzigo, bro. Msione nikana chocha. Ona. Don't think I'm lying.
Hello. You look good, very good. What's your name? Thank you. You live here? I live here 2 days. Where are you going? Back home. I would like to see you in the evening. What's up?
I had to pause this one. First of all, tumeona hiyo shape. Tunajua tu shape ni kabila gani. Mimi sitasema hii kabila ni gani, but ukiona the shape, you just know ni kabila gani. Ni Mkikuyu. Left the kids at home. And now went back. Again, remember, these are same day interaction, my nigga. Unakuwa nakutana nao mzungu saa 4. By 4, they are back. By 8, wanakuwa pipe down. Piping. Trust you me. Wanakula siku mzima alafu wanaambiwa the next day wanaenda. Let's continue video. Body count number 4. That's your baby mama. That's your wife. That's your mother, bro. ameacha watoto kwa nyumba, akakwambia naenda kuona sister yake. She's going to see her sisters, she's going to see her mother who's not feeling well. Kumbe in real life she's doing jumping jacks with a Russian in his room, and they met the same day. Do you see why you never have to struggle na madem? Do you see why? Kidogo in a way unapataga mimi nataroingia madem, sijisumbuagi na madem ever. Utanipata nasumbuana na, mbona nisumbuane nao? Look how easy it is for them. What man bro, same day. Alafu utambua you have to buy her flowers, take on a day, do this, pay her rent, pay nini. Akikwambia venye kama umpati pesa furahi na wewe, yet the white man anakuja, it's so easy. Bro, we are not yet done. Yeah. Another one. Might have missed it, but ananunua pampa za mtoto wake, but she's just a few seconds ago si alisema na mtu, but hizo ni pampas ananunua my guy. Ama ni nini inaitwaje always, I'm not sure, but you see how it is for him. Does not have kids, of course. Why would they say they have kids, knowing this right man is here to look for love, is here to look for a companion? They would never never mess up the bag. Why would they ever mess up the bag? No maana namwambia does not have a man. We continue bro, movie bado. They met at the supermarket. They met at the mall. Bro, it did not take even 1 hour. She's back at this man's place. Amerudi kwa nyumba yao msee. Ando madem bado nataka kupikania, bado nataka kuchase, bado nataka kudemand respect from you. Again, they are grown women, they can do whatever they want, and I want them to do whatever they want. But staki mzungu anapatiwa easy pass, lakini wewe unapigishwa hoops, wewe unapitishwa mamilima na mabonde. Yet you see the same way, the same women by the way, wamekutana mall, and now she's back at this man's place. Can't you see? And she has a type. Me notice most of what tumeona kuna majegi kubwa. Of course, unajua wazungu wanapendanga matiti, sisi tunapendanga matako, anapenda matiti, except the second one. Bro, it gets better. He even went to a woman who owns her own shop. Bado, let me not tell you, let me just show you, because I just want you guys to see. Nataka mwone mademu wenyu hapa. I want you guys to find your women here. Ama mfind mademu najua hapa. Si waachi hivyo. We continue. Another one. Met at the parking lot of TRA Mall, Thika Road Mall. Told her she looks good. Bada bing, bada boom. I would love to see you in the evening. Evening didn't even get there. Amejirudisha naye kwa nyumba. They just met. And here she is, anazungushwa na mzunye. Hakibausisha majegi. Body count set tumefika number 6 ama number 7. Can't even tell. But tunaendelea. Okay? I want you guys to know it is that easy. Or maybe we're just not confident enough to pull this off. Maybe, by the way, I'm thinking maybe us Africans, us Kenyans, we're not confident enough to pull this off. Because maybe we should try. Maybe niko sure kama umejiamini enough, you could actually go tell her you look good, you want to see her in the evening na narudi. The previous one, I forgot to tell you this. She said, this guy offered ice cream. But it was the, hey, ice cream is in my digs. Ice cream is in my house. We should get back to the house. We could have some ice cream there. What's your name? Go get love. Okay, and she got to slap them cheeks, my guy. Are we not finished yet? No, we are not. Relax. I want you to see your girlfriend here.
Hello, how are you? What's your name? Hello. How are you? You live here? No. In this place? I live here one. Drink? You want a cup of coffee? Yeah. Come with me, okay? I have a coffee. And cocktail? Yeah. Maybe ice cream? Come with me.
Hivyo tu ndo threesome imedonjo. They had their own plans. But these guys saw them. And kumbuka wako na majeki bigi. This guy has a thing for big boobies women. Made them change their plans and they went back with him in his crib. Same people, in case something bad happens to them, they will start coming and blaming us. Men are not protecting us. Men are not guiding us. But you can see them. You can see them misguided. Ni them, because the white man blinds the eye. The white man blinds the eye. Wakiona tu ngozi nyeupe, they are down for anything. Anything. Bro, you can see the way your women are moving. Bro, you're not done. Hadi uone demu yako. Usipoona demu yako, si wachi tu na enda hadi uone demu yako na unakata video. Another one.
What? Huh? Remember? Thank you. What?
Now, the title of the previous video I've shown you, he said, in Africa, women are aggressive. It was trying to show that women approach you. You've seen the way your women are approaching the white man. Because you cannot take them or you cannot help them. They want to omoka by force. Like hii visa inatafutwa na njia yoyote. You've seen, it's them approaching. So it means they have the capability to approach you. Wanaweza kukujia wewe bro. Seti hawaezi. So the fact that they are giving you a hard time is because they know you are weak, you are soft, you are a chimpanzee bitch. Na ndio maana watakuwekea hizo vitu hizo nini zetu hizo conditions. Wewe utakiwa conditions. Unachikive mzungu anapitishwa tu. Peter Kamzunye, Peter, they're the ones who are approaching. They are making it easy for him.
Hello. Good, and you? Are you working here?
Yes.
I think you're my friend. No? My friend. You?
Me?
No?
From where?
From Kenya.
Yes, I can be a friend of Kenya.
Okay.
Hi.
Hi, how are you? Come.
Doesn't even know her name, but ashapigishwa 360. Now, I know the guy standing there, they are colleagues. But did you see the move she pulled where she separated herself from the guy? Anataka one-on-one na umse. Can't you see? My brain is my superpower. Can't you see? Want you to see. I am hungry. Watch.
Thank you. You look very good.
Thank you.
What's your name?
I'm Lois. So sorry, Dad.
Louis.
Yes.
Okay.
You're
My name is Yaitoslav. I'm from Russia.
from Russia. Maybe something. I can't because it's so hard for me to pronounce.
Okay, my name is Zama.
Summer.
Zama. Yes. I would like to see you in the evening after work.
It's okay, no worries. This channel?
Yeah.
Where?
5 minutes walk away. You know, 5 Avenue.
Fifth Avenue?
5th Avenue.
Yes.
I used to.
Do you have the number there?
Yes.
Come on, man. It's too easy. Say body count imefika karibu 9 or 10. It's too easy. I want you to see how easy your women are. I just want you to see how weak your women are when it comes to that white skin, bro. Sasa hii next. It's someone grandmother. It's someone mother. God forbid your mother is here. Forgive me. I'm just the messenger, bro. I'm just the messenger. Hiyo ona sasa. The same mother giving your father a hard time was willing to kiss a white man who she does not even know his name, was willing to mwah. But babako akimwambia fanye kitu ni maneno. Nengi mbaba kinakwanga kimenizoea. Who does this man think he is? Mwanaume atanisumbua kichwa, hata kuna kitu ananifanyaga, una watoto ulinipia umeni stress. But the white man comes in, hapo anampia the 360. Yeah. To make it worse, amevaa rosari, but tunajua the final form of mdempoko ni a religious woman. Sasa ni nyanya mtu, ni mama mtu. Again, I'm just the messenger. I did not record these videos. These videos found me, and now I'm bringing them to you. God forbid your kamama is here. We continue, my brother. That's only mamako. That's someone's mother, bro. Ameenda mall in the name of kushop. Kume she's not shopping for physical vitu. She's not shopping for tangible things. Ameenda kutafuta the njwanga thing. Ameenda kutafuta the penetrating thing. Na God finally, after all her 40-something years suffering with the black man, suffering pengine with the Kikuyu man, suffering with the Kampa man, suffering with the Masai man, finally the gods have chosen her, the stars have aligned, na mzungu amejileta kwake, ndo anaenda naye kwa keja, and she will come back in the house acting ama pretending like nothing happened. I'm pretty sure even the husband, even the children do not know this is how their mother was moving. Now next I want to show you this business lady who she had to close her shop just because of this white man. You see, the ones who are always claiming, oh, woman, find your own money, make your own money, be your own boss, so you don't have to depend on a man who's a child. Bro, haya, kaende. Babe, sasa akimagine no job tumeshikana. Hey, alafu you know the woman that unajua Suzy, the Suzy we work with. Aki, she's not feeling well. I think her child has a moeba and I have to go stay with her in the hospital. Aki, babes, you know me, I have to be there for this girl. You know her husband left her. She has no one to be with right now. And me being a co-worker, because we are colleagues, I have to just go and stay with her. Babes, you know me. Please. Umekula. Umeshiba. Aki, nakupenda. Ndakuona mausubuhi, sawa? I will update you venye kunaenda. Akituombe. Hey, Suzy yako mbaya. Meanwhile, this is what your girlfriend is really doing. Amerudishwa kijani kupigwa mastroko hadi akavango alikuwa uze. I want you to see how easy it is for the foreigners na madem wetu and how much they lack respect to the point anafungwa hivi anamchungulia because ana respect to him. This is about content, this is about a game. Like to this guy, this is such a easy game to the point he plays it for fun. Anatafuta tu acha nitafute mtu na approach. Oh, you look very good. What's your name? My name is Jagenslavas. Oh, Jagenslavas. Okay, I live around here. Can you? Yes, that's 5-minute apartment, 5-minute walk here. Oh, I'd love to see you in the evening. Na mademu tako, okay. Can I get your number? Mnadi, nyiwa mademu na ma-foreigners. My guy, remember when I told you it's so easy? It's like a game for this guy. I wanna eat next. Bro, my bro, can't you see? So fucking easy. So easy. Too easy. Fuck are you talking about? So easy, bro. She was literally standing, waiting for I don't know if it was the bus, I don't know if it was the van, I don't know if it was the Uber. This guy approaches her in few minutes of interacting. Ashampigisha 360. Cancels her plans, her amazing plans which she had, cancels them. Goes into this guy's hotel room, and we've seen amepelekwa bedroom. Na wamekutana that same day. So it means ama dem wanawapatia standards, they are willing and able to F you, sleep with you, with you the same day. You give me fam. And then later on, utaanza kuwekewa standards, utaanza kuwekewa morals. We'll be like, for you, you gotta do bang, 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 bang for me before you get some of this kush. Before patio kusu, utafanya MBCD, all those useless things. But remember, there was a white man mwenye alipiga kitu bila awe kujua. Kuna mtu alipatiwa usiku mzima. Youngest lovers. Bila awe kujua, bro. Maybe atoni boyfriend wake. Maybe atoni husband wake. Mtu ananifurahisha. We are not yet done. Shit, unaenda happy. Najua umekasirika dem yako na mu-expose. Najua uko na wasiwasi. Haujui ni nani ataonekana. Calm down. If you see, you see. If you don't, you are lucky. He never uploaded it. But sidhani hapo mimi nipate madha yangu hapa. Nampigia sasa nimpige msomo. We continue.
Hello. Tell me please. What's your
offered the number. She's the one who offered the number. Huh? And now, pole, I had to pause it. Now she's coming back. Went and dropped your ugly kid. Kau katoto kwako kana kasi juu ya aji kawa watu wa kwenyu. Ameenda amemwachoko na babake. Kauko. Naniharibia starehe yangu na niko na mzungu nimeangukia finally. Na naona iko Sarit Centre. Mtu wako ameachanishwa huko kwako. She has plans. Someone needs her. She has an emergency. Kuma ameenda kupigwa stroke na mzungu wa Russia, bro. You see how easy it is. I just want you guys to ingiza kwa akili yako. If they like you enough, they will drop your child. They will drop their child there. They will tell you they are single even though they are married. If they like you enough, they will go with you to their house or to their hotel the same day you've met. It's also two extra things. They just do them for men they don't like. But who am I to say this? Tuendelee, tuone venye hiyo siku itaenda. There. The mother of your kid, the woman of your dreams, the apple of your eye, your soulmate, the one who God ordained and selected, that's just for you. He who finds a wife finds a good thing. In fool. In fool. In ngama stupid. Just a madam at your own risk. But me, I'm just a messenger. You know, me, I'm that guy who hates women. So, you know, kutu mnasemaga mi nachukia madam. But see, just want you to see for yourself the way wanna move. Hatujamaliza bado. Why do you think we are done? We are not yet done. Watch this again. Huh? Now, in case you missed it, she was giving him all the choosing signals. She was telling him, approach me, because she kept looking at him. You know how women give you choosing signals? How women show you, yeah, this green light. Come back, come to me. That's how they show you, by looking at you. Not once, not twice. And she was like waving. Like, eh? Na sasa uchokora karibu haribio mse game yake. They made the next day. And you know what happened the next day?
Natasha, hello. How are you?
How are you?
Good, very good. Come with me.
Your future wives, bro. Met today, got fucked tomorrow. Bam, bam, bam. Changu alimpiga stroke kama the fuck. Is it too much? If it's too much, niambieni. Naweza acha video hapa. If it's too much, just tell me if it's too much. I can stop the video here. I don't want to embarrass our women anymore. I don't want you to view our women any differently. Please, if it's too much. But for now, tuendelee.
Okay.
That's a good part.
Сколько литров сами плиз? Just 1 minute, please. You look very good. Yeah. Two, very good. Two. My English is not good. Can you please, how many liters? How many liters? Very, very good. Liters. Do you have WhatsApp? Yes. Text me on WhatsApp. I have.
Buy it fast, and then we buy this one, and then we go with you tomorrow. Things will be good. This is good.
Lakini wanakaa kienyeji kiasi. Wanakaa kienyeji kiasi. And you see the way the boss was drooling over this man. The boss was low-key jealous for her employee. Cause niye anataka umoleshwe. Na modhongo. Nice pass. Nataka tukuonesha venye ni wa lose. At least now we have at least POV, point of view of how desperate and how loose wanakuanga. At least now you guys are getting to see how they react when they like you enough. Because when we tell you, sometimes you'll be like, nyia mjuagi kutu mnaongelea, mnachukiaga tu madem. Mnakuaga tu na, you're biased towards women. You just select a few women as bad example. I want you guys to see for yourself. Now at least you get to see. We are not yet done, bruh. Shit.
Oh. Yeah. Oh, you look very good. What's your name?
I didn't hear you.
Huh?
I had earphones.
iPhone. What's your name? Monkey. My name is Lav. Yes, it's Lav. I'm from Russia. I live here 5 minutes around. 5 minutes walk away. Your number? Okay.
You think I look good?
Yep. You look very good. Yes. Somali. Okay, very good. Monkey. Monkey. Okay, nice to meet you. I text you in WhatsApp. Have a nice day.
Mulidhani wa Somalia wako safe. Mulidhani tu wade mwenye Wajaruo, Wakikuyu, Waluya, Masai, Kalenjin, Wakisii na Wakamba ndo wako tu kwa hiyo list. Hata wa Somalia, no one is safe. No one is safe. No one. Haya, angalieni Udave kwanza, kuna kitu nataka kucheka hapa. At least this one alikuwa open with what she wanted. At least tu kucheza games. Bro, hey, there's another one I need to show you. Akona ass ingine. Bro, hey, oneni hii kwanza nakuja.
Hello. What's your name? What's your name? What's your name?
I'm Fatma.
Fatma.
Yeah, you?
I'm Yesuslav.
From which one? I pronounce the name right after I remove one teeth.
What?
I pronounce the name right after I remove one teeth.
I don't know. I don't understand. I'm from Russia.
Also,
My English is not good.
not good. Me, I'm from Kenya. My English very good.
Yes, yes. Are you married? Married?
No.
I know how you look. Nice to meet you too.
Thank you.
Fatma.
Thank you.
Fatma, do you have WhatsApp? I would like to see you later.
Bring your phone. We talk. How old are you? Age.
I know. 35.
95. What you do for living? I'm expensive.
I live
I'm
here.
expensive. I'm expensive. You understand?
Expensive?
I'm very
Yes.
expensive. If you don't have money, no, I reject.
Yes, yes, I know.
Oh, you have money, nice. I think
Mm.
this one 10 kgs one day.
One day.
Yes, so I'm expensive.
Yes, yes. No problem.
You are fine. I give you my number. Good. What's up?
Yes, yes, I text you now. Yes, yes. It's me.
You see how quick they had to give their numbers. You heard what's up? Yes, my number. Take it. I'm very expensive. At least that one was open with a gold digging ass. She didn't play the game. Nice. Do you come out in her name? I don't think he went anywhere with her, but I'm not sure. But this next one, bro.
How are you? What's your name?
So cute.
I like how you look.
Yeah.
I like how you look. How old are you? Huh? 22. 20. I don't understand. My English is not good. One moment, please. One moment, please. You are married. Very good. What's your name? Hilda. I would like to see you tomorrow, Hilda. Working? Maybe after work? I live here, around 5 minutes walk away. Do you have WhatsApp? I have Russian number in WhatsApp.
Ilegulwa. Same day. Same fucking day. And he got to clap. No, nimeguza microphone. Sasa juu kabadi inafanya. Let me check.